Good evening, VV Nations. Glenn here, Senior Stock Market Strategist for VectorVest. Glad to always be here and bring you your 6 p.m. video. This is the last trading day of the week. Wrap up the week. We had a lot of things going on throughout the week. But this video, I wanted to do just something a little different. This video is going to introduce a lot of people into the fray of VV Nation. I want brand new people to watch this video because I want to show them what makes us different than anybody else out there on YouTube. It's not just about, hey, we say buy this stock, sell this stock, da-da-da-da-da-da. I want to show you some of the results that we've had on whether it's a stock or an idea. We've got a footprint in the sand that walks you through what we have done and have been doing over the last year. So I want to get right into the video, and we're going to look at some of the portfolios that we've tracked over the year. We get into the end of the year, some of the portfolios that we've tracked over the year to show you, it's just not lip service that we give you. On 10/14, one of our most recent portfolios, Warren Buffett trade for Sirius. Someone in the chat told me that I don't think this was a good deal for Warren Buffett. I said, something, let's keep our eyes on it. So far in a couple of days, it's up over 3%. We'll keep our eyes on it. This was a video that was asked for by a subscriber saying, I want to find or be able to find undervalued stocks less than $10. So every one of these stocks is less than $10, or they were less than $10 when we went and got into these stocks. And every single one of them is undervalued. Every single one of them. We started this on 10/8. As of right now, it's up 4.37%. Every stock is a buy, a couple of double-digit winners. And the reason why I wanted to make this video is because we talk about a lot of stocks that make a lot of money. I want you to see when we started talking about these stocks, because we put them into a portfolio, and show you why people say over and over that they've made a lot of money with VectorVest. As a matter of fact, in the chat, if you've made, I don't know how to quantify what a lot of money is. So I'll say it's on your interpretation. If any of you out there, as you go look through these portfolios and these stocks, have made good money on some of the picks that we've given to you, type the words good money. I type the words good money. Of course, because this is recorded, I won't see it until after the recording is being viewed. But great video suggestion. I try to respond to a lot of what you ask me to do. 4.37% since 10/8. A couple of double-digit winners. Of course, we got some losers, but overall, look at the equity curve since we started. Speculative picks. That's another portfolio that I've done, and this one has been tracked since 2/6 of 2024. It did get as high as 22% back here. Right now, we're sitting at 12.64%. Look at this. A lot of people said, thank you, Uncle Glenn, for this stock when I did give this pick out, up 82%. The worst stock in here right now is PCT, only down 4%, which is very manageable. We did fall off here, but now climbing back up. All right, another portfolio. I probably need to do another speculative picks speculative picks video. Mega plays. Now, talking about, AI is a hot thing. I gave a lot of alternative ways to play a lot of these stocks in utilizing the ETFs like AAPU, APLY, which is looking at the yield max. This was a nice video that was put out there, up 23% since 5/1 this year. Nice run up recently, a couple of double-digit winners here. Man, we try to go above and beyond what everybody is talking about to give you opportunities to make money. GLP1 stocks, it's fallen off a little bit. Remember when it was hot and trendy? Well, you can see the equity curve. It's not as trendy as it was, but still up over 3% for the year. But we can see the equity curve. A couple of stocks in here did make some money, but it is pulling off right now. Hurricane-related stocks. Started this back on 7/3 of 2024. We tried to get you ready for these kinds of stocks. Since then, we've had two horrific hurricanes come through. Lowe's leads the list, followed by insurance, Aflac, Home Depot's Utilities, Cummins, big machines, Generac for generators, Allstate, Caterpillar for big machines, and so on. Since 7.3, up 9.17%. Some of the losers, though, UNG, natural gas. I wouldn't have thunk that, but big hit. USO oil, you figure would have been on the rise, but not so much. All right, but up over 9% in some stocks that have made double-digit winners. Domino Effect, the AI Domino Effect. This was, I think, one of the best put-together watch list of stocks that encompassed everything that was AI. VRT, Palantir in the AI space, Taiwan Semi, Nvidia, cloud services, cybersecurity, Apple, C3AI, and Microsoft. Every stock in here is a winner. And it's not just Nvidia, it's other stocks within the space. We love to give a lot of great ideas on what to do in the market. And I think this was a well put together list of stocks, up 16.43. Look at that equity curve. Look at that equity curve of the stocks. All right, China stocks, goodness gracious, as fast as they went up, is as fast as they went down. A lot of people were telling me to stay away, stay away, stay away. That's fine. I wanted to track them and give an opportunity. But listen, not every portfolio is going to be a winner. I'm not afraid to say it. I'm not afraid to say it. And just as quickly as it went up, as quickly as it went down, wah, wah, wah. I'm going to keep it running, though. What else is in here? Decade stocks. I did a video about decade stocks. I picked 3 stocks for the next decade. But then I also asked you guys for your stocks that you thought would be good stocks for the next decade. You gave me a lot of different stocks, but up 2%, not half bad for all of the stocks. I gave you my 3 top decade stocks. It's up 12%. The biggest loser in here is Tesla. I still believe in Tesla, baby. Ooh-wee. But what carried this? Palantir. I've done a lot of videos on Palantir, and this is why. It's a powerhouse stock. Not as powerhouse as Nvidia, but a darn good stock. 12%, you can see the equity curve. Let's go. Multibaggers. Somebody wanted me to do a new multi-bagger picks. I just didn't think it was time yet. But this portfolio is up about 17%, finding multi-bagger stocks. I want to show you something. Go to reports, go to trade history. Not every stock made money, but I wanted to show you some of the stocks that did make money. Look at this. VITL up 175%. ADMA up 133%. FIHL, do I have some losers? Yes, I do. But overall, this portfolio has put some big multi-baggers into people's pockets. You want to be able to log in and see all of these videos when we have it. This is why I say I want to invite my new people out there. Hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. You can be alerted to when these kinds of plays come out because we talk about them in our videos. So we can see way back when we bought these stocks. Not that I'm just talking about them now. 5, 7, 8, 12, 10, 16, 3 stocks recently to fill up the portfolio. Up 17%, but it's taken a big hit. But we've got a nice little profit pack there. Nvidia, most powerhouse stock out there. Remember when they did their conference back in March? Look at the stocks that they announced relationships with, partnerships with. Nvidia's name pulled these stocks right along. TSM, Oracle, Apple, NTAP, Now, SAP, Dell, Google, Microsoft. I don't know why they went with Snow. They should have gone with Palantir, but that's just my opinion. Nvidia Investments. This was a newer video that I just put out. Companies that Nvidia is investing in, a little bit of a down push right now, but still ahead. This is still early in the play. These stocks, if you hadn't watched that video, please go back. Companies that Nvidia is investing in. Top 10 picks for 2024. Every year I give my top 10 picks for the year. This portfolio is up 33%. Let's go take a look at these stocks. CRS up 130%. Again, the first trading day of the year, 130%. SMCI, 66. Meta, 66. Pulte. Builders, 43%. Coca-Cola, Cameco for uranium. Every stock is up double digits except for 2. Marathon, I thought that crypto was going to have a better year, not quite. And Intel, I got so much high hopes for Intel, but it just ain't coming through. But overall, my top 10 picks for the year, finishing out nicely going into the end of the year. Next year, I'll have another portfolio. Every Monday, I put out the top 5 weekly picks. This portfolio was up about 30% at one time. I let it be. I let it go, and now I'm actively trading in it again, up 8.5%. Let's go take a look at the return on investments. Look at this. Just about every stock is double digit. Every Monday, I give you my safe, undervalued stocks that are rising in price. That's what these stocks are. You want to see how I do this every week? Tune in to the Monday 6 p.m. video. And last one, trending Thursday star search. 30% since April of 2025. I created a search called the Star Search Pinch. And I'm looking at the pinch of the Bollinger Bands and then the breakout to the upside. 30% since April of 2025. Right now, I've got 5 stocks. 3 of them are losers. 2 of them are winners. Let's go to reports. Let's go to view trade history. A lot of stocks have been traded in and out of this portfolio. Look at this. Some really good winners. Some of them are losers, but 30% over for the year. A lot of great winners over time. Wolf, CDNA, HIMX. Remember when HIMX was rocking and rolling? All right, so the whole idea again of this video was to bring to the forefront the things that we talk about and how we track them. So it's not that we just say, hey, we like this stock and then move on, but to track the videos that we do so that you get a better feel of how they actually worked out from the time we did the video. If you're brand new to the channel, I want you to hit the subscribe button. If you know people who want to have the opportunity to go above and beyond what's out there on YouTube, invite them to the channel. Let them watch this video. Share this video. All my regular people, again, I just need you to let me know in the chat if you've made good money on some of these trades, and a lot of you have. So I want you people to watch the comments that come in. Again, this was an interesting, different take on a video because I want you to see what we're all about. This is bringing to the table what we do and what makes us different. Folks, this video is over. Have a great weekend. See ya.